Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is Lawman FJ. We're going to take a quick look at some earbuds. All right. Now, these are the SoundPEATS Air 5 Pro. We're going to take a look at these and see what they're all about. Now, you can get this from Amazon. It's the SoundPEATS Air 5 Pro Adaptive Hybrid Noise Canceling Wireless Earbuds. Qualcomm Snapdragon Sound, Lossless, LDAC Hi-Res, 6 mics, 37-hour playtime, IPX5 waterproof, Bluetooth 5.4. All right, this is the black one right here, $59.98 on Amazon, and it is a Prime item as well, so you can get it in 2 days. But they got some good features listed here. We're going to check these out and see what they're all about. I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. Okay, so here's the box right here. You got a picture of the earbuds right there, the Air 5 Pro. So it's a new 10mm driver, hybrid active noise cancellation, 37-hour playtime. All right, a little bit of information on the back right there. To tell you, I don't think these wireless charge or anything, but you know, when you're doing the playtime, you get 7.5 hours of playtime. Okay, 35 mAh earbuds, 520 mAh charging case. All right, but I don't see any wireless charging here. So let's check this out and let's see what these buds look like. Okay. All right, so here's the case right here. Let's get this plastic off. The case feels pretty sturdy. Feels like a quality case. These are taped on pretty hard here. Oh, here we go. All right, so got a matte finish on the case. USB-C right there, and I think this is the reset button right here, or to turn on. Open up the case right there. These are the buds. So you got a kind of a shiny look to, but they're easy to take out out of the case. You see, you got some tape right there. I got to take that off to get it started up. But they feel pretty good. Kind of lightweight, but they feel pretty good. And the case is nice as well. A nice case. And you got the little light right there that tells you what's going on with the case right there. Right. Let's see what else is in the box. All right, so I think this is so you got some more tips right here. I usually don't use those because the ones that come with them, the medium size, is always pretty good with me. And you got a USB A to USB-C cable right here for charging. All right, let's put this back in here. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pair these up and then see how they sound, and I'll come back and tell you how they work out, how they sound. So I want to show you the pairing process as well. So I took the plastic off the inside of the buds. And let's see what happens when I try to pair these up, all right? So I got the case open. And let's see if Bluetooth picked up anything in terms of, so it's already showing the SoundPEATS Pro right there when I open up the case, all right? So let's go ahead and pair them up. All right, so they paired up while I were in the case. So pretty easy, pretty simple pair up. You see that right there, okay? Now I'm gonna go ahead and listen to these and see how they sound. I'll come back and tell you what they sound like. Okay, so I've paired the device up and I've listened to it, and it sounds pretty good, actually. You know, now it's I know it's $60, but it's got a lot of features, actually. You know, you had this quick start guide here, user guide, that I didn't look at when I first opened the box. It was in the top of the box, but it kind of gives you some more information about how to charge and stuff like that. And it has some different colors for the lights. When that light turns different colors to tell you how much you got charged. So 100% is green, 60 to 69, 20% to 69% is yellow, and if it's red, it's below 20%. All right. So a good user manual there that you can reference as well. You can register this device also to make sure you got a warranty there. But you know, you go to the Play Store and order the PEATS and download the PEATS audio app, and you know, you can actually control you can control the device. So you got adaptive EQ right there, but you got some presets as well that you can choose. You know, classic, bass boost, bass reduce, so on and so forth. You go to the home screen. They give you some more features there that you can use: noise canceling, normal, transparent. You can disable touch if you want to. You got game mode, custom key, and LDAC. All right. So pretty feature rich. And this is the nomenclature and some information about that. You got some settings for the app there as well. But you got to sign in and create an account, which is, I think, is pretty cool to have an app for this device that you can use to control it a little bit more. All right. So that's pretty good. Okay, so my thoughts about the SoundPEATS audio. Now, I think this is a good device, all right? And lots of features. It's very comfortable, lightweight, fits in the air very nicely, so I didn't have any problems there. You can wear it for long periods of time without any problems. And it sounds good, you know. I was using an equalizer with it, and it handled the bass and everything fairly well. I'm, pleasantly surprised of how this device performed. So, I would recommend getting this if you want a nice set of earbuds. They're not too expensive, but got good features, and they look nice as well. All right, and easy to take out and put in, and they stay in your ear. They're very comfortable. They're very lightweight. You would like this, and it's got a good, nice case matte finish as well. All right, so I got green light there, so this is charged up above 70%. So 70 to 100% is what I got charged there. And you got your charging port and your USB right there, okay? Now, as I said, I'll put the link in the description for you if you want to get this. If you got any questions, hit up in the comments. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for videos like this. This is Lawman FJ, out.